Hello friends, so I'm trying something different. Using my ring light, I thought I would just come on here and film with my camera a little further back. And hopefully you guys can see my face okay. I mean, it looks pretty bright, but we'll just test run this and see how it goes. I just didn't feel like putting all the lights on because it is really pretty outside and very sunny. Came home to my BOXYCHARM Premium box right here. Of course, I immediately put makeup on and got myself together so I could share this with you guys, because for the last several months I have been so late on getting my boxes and uploading them and all of that. So I told myself that I was not going to do that. Once I get the box, I would record it for you guys, get it edited and uploaded. So today I wasn't going to post a video so I can give you guys time to catch up on my videos, because I have been posting every day. I just have so many videos that I have ideas on, or I'm doing and all of that. And so hopefully you guys don't mind, but I will be getting this up for you guys here today, later on. So let me see if there was a card. I didn't see the card. I did not get a card. I don't like when I don't have a card because then I can't really tell you guys what each product is, you know, kind of in depth, but I'm gonna do my best. Now, BOXYCHARM does offer you the option to pick a product. This month in my premium, I did not pick. When I went on to pick, they tried to say that there wasn't anything available and all of that, so I don't recall picking. So yeah, but I just kind of waited to see what I was gonna get. Start with this one first. This is the Ole Hendrickson Fat Glow Facial Transform Plus. It fights all major signs of aging. It instantly exfoliates and illuminates with PHA's and neurotic birch sap, and it's a facial mask. So let's take it out of the packaging, and it also says let's get fat, which is PHA, no downtime needed, packed with polydroxy acids, PHAs, to help retexturize. This one-step massage activated facial targets fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and pores. It also hydrates and reveals smoother, instantly more luminous skin, making it the ultimate get ready for me essential for no filter necessary. And that is what it looks like right there. And it is a 1.7 fluid ounce, so I'm definitely not going to open that. Like I said, it retails for $50 is what I said, right? $50. BOXYCHARM is currently selling it for $18 on their BOXYCHARM add-ons. But I'm real excited about that. Anything to improve my skin, definitely excited to have that. This item that I got is the Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. It says it increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, antioxidant protection, and it's a 1 fluid ounce. It retails for $55. Looks like that. It says it's a lightweight, dry, nourishing facial oil complex, including 9 essential oils of palmarosa, orange, mint, vanilla, gerium. I probably said that wrong. Chamomile, lemon, rose, lavender, omega-3, which all help to increase moisture levels and elasticity, as well as balance the skin. Camelina Gold of Pleasure Oil contains powerful antioxidant properties to protect the skin from environmental damage. So definitely keeping this. Excited to try it. I'm surprised because looking at my box, I actually got 4 skincare items and 2 makeup items. I don't know how I feel about that, because I prefer more makeup, and on my questionnaire, that's what I have. I'm not going to be negative because my last boxes have been good. But overall, looking at it, I would say, like, looking at what I have, it's an okay box. I wouldn't say that it's great. It's okay. I definitely got my money's worth for sure. The box retails for $35 a month. With tax, it's about $37. So with that one first product, I guess you would say that I got my box's worth, but this is what it looks like. I love using oils. I think they're really, really good. Item I got was the Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Lip Liqueur at 0.16 fluid ounces. This is in 356 Raspberry. Let's open it from this end just in case I decide to not keep this. I do not have anything from Marc Jacobs, so this is kind of nice. It retails for $29, but on BOXYCHARM they're selling it for $6. That kind of tells you anything. The packaging is very, very pretty right there. That is what it looks like. I'm not going to put my nose or anything close to it. Smells very minty. It's a very pretty color, but I may save this for a giveaway or for to pass to a friend or a swap, because I love that I don't have anything from Marc Jacobs, and this would be my first item, but I don't necessarily need it. I'm not huge on glosses. I have so many in my collection already. That's one thing I've been trying to refrain from purchasing, but I'm gonna think about it. Again, this retails for $29. The Queen palette, A Queen Lies in All of Us. It looks like that. It says this retails for $47, but again, BOXYCHARM is selling it for $12. The front looks like that. It says the Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity and strength. I can't talk today. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our colors are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. Has 20 pigment palette in 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 dual chrome topper. So it does have a really big mirror. This is what the palette looks like right there. Has an array of beautiful shades. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't know that I'm going to keep this or if I'm going to give it in a giveaway or save it or something. It has a lot of pretty shades, some mauve tones. It has some gold, some pinks. So I'm definitely going to hold on to swatching that. It is a beautiful palette. I always love getting palettes in my collection. Although I don't need any more palettes, I do enjoy getting them. So yeah, that's going to be maybe as well. So far there's 2 things that I'm wanting to keep, which is the skincare. There's 2 things that I'm considering passing along. Okay, next item, Body Glowing Vacation Skin is inside this bag, Coconut Coffee Scrub. If you guys have been with me sometime, you know that I have had this in the past, not this specific one, but I love this. It's just such a nice body scrub overall. It has that coffee smell. Of course, if you don't like coffee, you won't like this, but it makes your skin, it's definitely a mess. So I would say definitely use it in the shower because it gets everywhere. But once you put it on the skin and rub it in, the aroma is so good if you love coffee smell, number 1. Number 2, when you rinse it, your skin feels so baby soft and silky, just so nice. This says it has coconut oil, which helps fight breakouts, grapeseed oil, which is rich in vitamins to reduce the appearance of scars. It's a 7.05 ounce. Excited about this because I have tried this. I got a gratis when I worked at Ulta and I loved it. It does retail for $18.95. The last thing that I got is this Kittish Cleanse Ritual Ice Roller. It says it's a surgical stainless steel roller for your overworked, sensitive skin. It looks like that. Let's just open it up and see what it looks like. $18. Oh, it's just a roller. Okay, the way it looked on the picture looked like it had like some spikes or something in it, but yeah, that's just what it looks like. Right there, it looks like a big shaver, but it's completely like just, that might be really, really nice. So it tells you on the back how to prep the skin, how to treat the skin, spot treatment. So, not bad. Not bad at all. Just say before I give you the total value, this was okay. I'm not very pleased. I think that in a way, I feel like my $35, I guess you could say, like, even with just this product, I got my money's worth. But do I really need more skincare? Not at all. So although I'm very grateful to have these skincare items, I don't need them. So I kind of feel like, in a sense, my $35 was kind of wasted just a little bit because of that. Was it a good box for the price I paid? I mean, as far as the value, yes. And some you lose some, right? That's just kind of what it is with the subscriptions. This I'm super, super excited about. I don't know that I'm keeping the Marc Jacobs gloss or the Queen palette, but we'll see. Overall, it was an okay box. Let's see what my grand total was. Saying that my grand total was $217.95. Whether or not that's so, I don't know. But usually we just go off the card and the retail value of it, the MSRP. So right now, if you are subscribed to BOXYCHARM Premium and you didn't get any of these items in your box and you would like them, check out because they do have the add-ons right now going on, and they are fairly cheap for these items. So definitely check them out. I wanted to share with you guys my September premium box. For me, it wasn't the best box, but my boxes lately have been good, so I'm not going to really complain. I am still wanting to cancel. I think I have a few more months that are paid for in advance, but after that, I think I'm considering canceling at least one of them. I may keep the base, I may keep the premium. I'm just trying to outweigh my options once that comes up. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you think. Let me know if you got this box. If you thought I had a good box, let me know if you get the premium and if you were happy with your box, or what if you were not. Also, let me know down in the comments which box you think that I should keep. Should I keep the base box, or should I keep the premium box, or should I get rid of both? Let me know those answers in the comments below. I would love to hear your guys' responses. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.